Hi guys, and welcome to Andy Robinson RC. Cheers for checking out our channel again today. And this time we're back, or I say we're back looking at the Series 1 5586. What we have been doing today is replacing the exhaust manifold studs and putting a new gasket in there and some fresh brass 5/16 BSF nuts, because if you checked out our last video, what had we done? I can't remember now. Yes, I think on that video I was saying how we'd got the refurbished starter motor put in, but the exhaust manifold gasket was blowing and needed attention. Well, it needed new studs as well, a gasket and new brass nuts, which I ordered. And today, with the help of my dad, we have been getting that job done, and now it's finally done. So I thought I'd just show you. Obviously, we started off by getting the old studs out, and we were a little concerned that it'd be seized in there, and then it'd have to be a whole exhaust manifold off as well. But luckily, with a lot of PlusGas and a great deal of heat, we managed to get the old studs out. Now here is a couple of the studs that we took out. As you can see, on the end of them, the thread had gone quite a lot, so it definitely needed new studs putting in. And look at the gasket, the state of the gasket as well. This one had been put in at the beginning of the year, but it didn't last very long because of the problem we had with the studs and the threads not being able to tighten everything up properly. So that needed changing, and you know, that's completely knackered. So we got a new one of them on. So yeah, so we took all the old bits off, and then we put some fire gum, it's called. I think it's by Holt's fire gum. We put that between the exhaust manifold flange and the exhaust flange, and just put that on, and then we put a ton of anti-seize paste on, or anti-seize guard. So put bags of that on the threads, on the new studs, and then we got these brass nuts, which luckily they turned up today in the post. So we managed to get the brass nuts on as well. And it's all done now. So yes, so hopefully no more hideous noise. Well, I say hopefully, I know because I've started it up, but yeah, so no nasty noise now. So that's another job ticked off. So yeah, we're getting there slowly. So as I say, we've got the new refurbished starter motor on. We've sorted out the exhaust manifold studs, gasket and new nuts. That's all on, so there is no more blowing now, which is ace. And then I think for now that's it. There may be something that I've forgotten about, but currently that's it for now, which is good. So yeah, pretty pleased with that. So what we'll do is we'll just walk around here, and then we're going to start it up. And yes. Oh, that's the job I was thinking. I think we need to have a look at adjusting the mixture screws on the carburetor. But to be honest, we ran out of time for that today. So anyway, so that's something to do. It's not a major problem. You know, it doesn't affect us really running the vehicle. But the big jobs have been done, which of course was that starter motor and the sorting this exhaust out and making it sound less of a tractor than it should do. Right, so we'll just fire it up. There we go. So yeah, obviously it's, you can hear me, it's idling fast because the choke's out. But put your hand over there. Yeah. Just feel vibration. There's no blowing at all now. adjusted. The only blowing you can feel is from the fan, but yeah, there's no blowing from the exhaust. So, brilliant. So really pleased with that, and I'm having to shout now because it's so loud. But yes, so pretty pleased with that. So yes, so there we go. There you go. There's a nice Rover P3 hub, centre hubcap. Yeah, so very pleased now. So all the job's done for now. So that we get under a nice day in the next week, we'll have a look at adjusting the mixture screws on the carb and see if we can sort out the this slight idling problem, as it's been cutting out and now and again. Once the vehicle's got hot and running, after a while it's cut out a few times. Don't think it's you know, fuel evaporation, because it's doing it when you're slowing down, you're coming down to a junction. Sometimes it'll just cut out, but it instantly starts again. But it's only doing this after it's got hot. So I think it just needs the screws adjusting on the carb. That's what we think anyway. Yes, cheers for checking out the video, guys. Much appreciated as always. And if you would like to see more content, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving us a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. Right, take care, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.